If we want to bring real peace to the world, we must start educating children. With this philosophy of Rashtrapita Mahatma Gandhi, Manohar Bhai Shikshan Prasarak Mandal Armories has established Mahatma Gandhi Arts, Science and Lit NP Commerce College Armory in 1981 in the remote district of Maharashtra, Gadchiroli. It is the easternmost district of Maharashtra and also known as Forest Hub of Maharashtra. Gadchiroli is the rural and tribal district of Maharashtra where many infrastructural facilities are lacking behind. Despite of this, our institute has managed to bag A grade from NAC Bangalore in 2017. To provide access for the comprehensive knowledge system, our institute has offered multiple subjects under Bachelor of Arts, Bachelor of Commerce and Bachelor of Science. At the same time, to provide the opportunity for higher education, few PG courses were also introduced including MA and MSc. To inculcate research culture among students, few research centers were also made available for higher learnings. Our institute continuously strives for the excellence, and in the process we have achieved many prestigious awards from Best College to the State Level Road Safety Awards. Along with this, our institute strives for the all-round development of the students through academic evaluation activities, sports performances, where many of our students have achieved national and international recognition, and the community college is one of our best initiative for the skill enhancement among the students. The well-resourced and structured library is the soul of our institution. The library provides all sort of online and offline platforms for the respective readers. The competitive examination section has been specially acknowledged by many of our placements. To encourage the women's participation in all sort of activity, our institute organizes various events like felicitating successful women counterparts, organizing activities like Women's Governance Day, Women's Empowerment programs, as a result of which many of our students came out with the flying colors. People's Biodiversity Register is one of our best practices, through which the students visits the field and gets an opportunity to feel the mother nature. The free existence of tiger in our region itself explains our perseverance towards the mother nature. The institute has conducted many crucial studies like of migratory birds, groundwater studies, fossil preservations and collection of rare plants in form of herbarium sheets. The Department of Political Science and Sociology plays a vital role in the fulfillment of institutional commitment towards the society. These fulfillments are achieved either on the stage or off the stage. The adherence towards the society motivates us to work at the grassroots levels like Unnat Bharat Abhiyan, Plastic Free Drive, Road Safety Drive and many more. In COVID-19 pandemic, we have organized multiple events to spread awareness in the society. In the hard time of lockdown, as a responsible institute, we have supported many migrant laborers through various means. Ultimately, we believe that the development of the students is the development of the nation. Thanks for watching.